never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv, and welcome back to another video. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Now guys, yesterday you would have seen that we checked into the Riu Montego Bay. So that was our first day, had a good day, as you would have seen in the video. Today is day 2, so it's, I'm not sure what time it is. I think it's, I don't know, something to 8 after 8. We're gonna go down for breakfast now, and then maybe we'll go on the beach. Maybe we'll, I don't know. I might, they've got this water slide that I don't know, I might drum up the courage to try this water slide. Say good morning. I might try this water slide that they have here. I'm not sure. We might go paddling, you know, I don't know. Boat paddling in the sea. I don't know. We're going to see what we're going to do today. And yeah, make the day count. This is our last full day, so we have to make it count. But breakfast first. So yes, people, Vlogmas Day 2.
Get in there.
In a while. Yeah. So yes, breakfast, people.
Nice and easy.
Yeah. That's what you got here. Pangaloo, potato, fried plantain,
Turkey breast.
turkey breast, rabbit, omelette, potato, just a little bit. Yeah. So this is breakfast.
Yeah, it's down to life and everything though. And I'm tired.
So yes guys, this is what we're doing now. Paddle boat. Right there. To the captain. Big ship, no joke. We're going on this. Oh Lord.
Close, but not too close to get up to see what I'm going, isn't it? Okay. While you pedal forward, if you like bump in one boat, or you go lick up in one boat, or one rock, or one person, nothing like that, just pedal back to it. Okay. Then in the middle right there, that is the steering. You're going to turn left to go right, right to go left, or just the opposite.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, while you're turning, you can't stop pedal.
Okay.
And any question?
No. Good stuff, right?
I'm not going to take it too, I want to go too far, you know. Just keep on pedal. But we've got to steer as well, you know.
Yes.
So yes, people, we're on the paddle boat. Guys, look at this over there. Can you see those that private island? That private island over there belongs to Sandals. Have you got to be doing this, you know? I'm probably steering. I've got camera in my hand. So how beautiful. Yeah, that's Sandals over there. So there's Mr. Sir.
Yeah.
Paddling.
Paddle to the east.
So we can't go too over there because that's private Sandals over there. But let me just show you behind us the resort. Yeah. So this is nice. The rocks. So I think you've got Riu Reggae over there and Tropical Palace to that side. We're not going to go too far, we're just going to circle around and come around it. So, yeah. So yes, people, vacay mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good so far. Seriously. He's the captain, he has to control.
Always the driving.
Always in the driving.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's nice.
Beautiful.
With the view behind us.
And I'm 4 price.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going back in now, pedaling back in. He's sweating like a pig. So we're going to go back in.
Yeah. Yeah, that's outland these are peeps. Yeah, we're good. Giving thanks for life.
Yeah.
You know, every man need a wife.
Chilling on the beach. Yeah. It's all good.
All good, my people.
Okay, people, it's lunchtime. It's a jerk one today. Jerk chicken, a lot of hot sauce. See our last plate there? See the line over there, Pepe's with at the jerk place. Always full of lines. Yeah, but lunchtime.
Brunch time.
Yeah, day 2 of Vlogmas. So guys, I'm contemplating, I'm thinking about going on these water slide. I'm afraid of water, you know. I don't like the water, but well, I am kind of. I don't mind going in the little boat we went in this morning. There's sandals right there. Can you see sandals right next to water? But this is the water splash park thing. This is the adult slide. Look at this now. People, you look at this and tell me now. What do you think? Should I do it? Outlaw said he's not doing it. Okay.
No.
There's like 1, 2, what, 3 or 4, 3 different slides. I'm thinking about doing it, guys. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking, I don't know. Maybe before I leave, what do you think? You're not doing it?
I'm not standing to that.
Why? Watch him in his holiday ways. Watch him. Real tourist. People, see the plane there again? I'll show you the plane again. See? Every few minutes a plane passes. That's the only downfall. So Mr. Man, why are you not going in there? Why? Why are you not going? Why are you not doing what's there?
I don't feel that something there.
Why? Are you afraid? Are you scared?
So watch me now.
Yeah.
I twist and turn that's up there, lock up. I can swim now. I can't even swim now. Put my break down in there.
You're not going to break that in there.
People, that's something I talk about. You know what I'm talking about? I mean them careful hands. Yeah, Mr. Careful hands.
Alright.
No, sorry, but if not tap nobody upon it now, I try to grow on it or something. No, sorry, but if you tap it upon it, if you not tap it upon it, we try to fight.
Yeah, but there is one without a top. That one right there, the green one.
No, sorry, another one I'm going like the one we turn and go around, so do that.
You're just scared. Just say you're scared, you're scared.
Right.
Just admit that you're scared to go on it, that's all.
And then people, I keep good bone on there. Coward man keeps on bone. You hear about that?
What? Say that again?
Coward man.
Yeah.
Keep sound bones.
Okay.
So, me think, we good that way there.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't take a crack right now.
not at this age and stage.
Not at this present moment.
Okay, no cracks right there.
No, sir. No cracking, man. I don't have to bone me and grow more than that.
Alright. So he's not going on it. I might go on it, we'll see.
Alright, well, you can. Yeah, my people. As I'm proud to say, I go for dinner now.
Hi everyone, we're going out now.
Yeah, go eat some food.
So this is our last dinner, our last meal here, our last dinner.
Last dinner, yeah.
So and we're gonna go and watch a little entertainment and such, and then yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, but it's been good. Montego Bay has been good. Yeah, definitely come back.
Nice, don't people.
Anyways, come on then. Let's go. So yes guys, we are at dinner. Guys, I want to show you Outlaw's plate. Honestly, it just looks ridiculous. Look at this guy's plate. Look. Look at this.
So they're going and coming in the to and from.
So they want to go back and forth.
That's why I put out that.
What?
It's going for my belly.
Look at it.
Yeah,
I bet you won't eat it all.
Where do you think go?
And then look at mine. Can't do that there.
People are making chicken here.
Huh?
People are making chicken.
What do you mean?
They want to make sure they won't.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. Anyways, so our last meal, so we're going to enjoy, right?
Respect our man and the beats. Good time.
on has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.